In a world where technological innovation and a thirst for adventure converge, the evolution of electric biking has transformed our approach to both daily commuting and off-road exploration. Today's mid-drive electric bikes are more than just a means of transport. They are powerful machines engineered to deliver exhilarating performance, unparalleled comfort, and the freedom to venture anywhere with confidence. Starting with the Bulls ICONIC EVO TR 2-Speed, this electric bike is an embodiment of performance and style. Powered by the renowned Bosch Gen4 Performance Speed motor, it delivers an impressive maximum torque of 85 Nm, ensuring that riders experience an instantaneous surge of power when accelerating or tackling demanding climbs. The integration of the Bosch PowerTube 6 25Wh battery is not just a nod to longevity, but also to seamless design, as it is carefully concealed within the frame to maintain the bike's sleek aesthetics. Riders can enjoy a full charge in roughly 4.9 hours, enabling them to embark on extended journeys without the anxiety of frequent stops. The iconic EVO TR 2-Speed does not stop there. Its suspension setup features an SR Suntour Lytro 35 Supreme SL Boost fork offering 120 mm of travel, which works in perfect harmony with the durable yet lightweight aluminum 6061 frame that benefits from internal cable routing. This thoughtful construction is available in several sizes to suit various rider heights, ensuring both comfort and optimal performance. With a Shimano Dora 10-speed drivetrain, the bike offers a broad gear range suitable for both gentle urban inclines and steep, challenging paths. The Tektro HD M530 hydraulic disc brakes, with their 203 mm front and 180 mm rear rotors, provide reliable stopping power under any conditions, making descents and sudden stops feel secure and controlled. Completing the package are 27.5-inch wheels wrapped in Supero all-ground tires, 2.4-inch wide, that promise superb grip and stability, even on unpredictable terrains. Additionally, the MonkeyLink system, which allows for the effortless attachment of accessories like lights and fenders, along with the Class 3 e-bike classification permitting pedal assist up to 28 miles per hour, underscores the iconic EVO TR 2-Speed's commitment to performance without compromising on convenience and style. A perfect match for riders who demand excellence in both urban commuting and long-distance adventures. Stepping into the realm of urban adventure and off-road robustness, the Tenways AGO X impresses with a balance of raw power and streamlined aesthetics. This mid-drive electric bike is built for intensity, boasting an 80 Nm torque mid-drive motor that is perfectly paired with a 504 Wh portable battery. Together, they deliver an exhilarating ride with a range that stretches up to 62 miles. The bike's engineering excellence is evident in every aspect of its design. A sleek, seamless frame is crafted with a focus on aesthetics and performance, featuring meticulously concealed cabling that not only contributes to its polished look, but also protects wiring from the elements and daily wear. The integration of the Bafang M410 mid-drive motor, with a nominal power of 250 watts and 80 Nm of torque, allows for a controlled yet punchy acceleration even on steep urban gradients, while its integrated torque sensor ensures that power delivery is smooth and responsive. Riding comfort is further enhanced by the Shimano 10-speed drivetrain, which provides a wide range of gear ratios, from 100% up to an impressive 430%, ensuring that every rider, from the novice to the seasoned cyclist, finds the perfect cadence for any terrain. A TFT LCD color display keeps the rider informed of critical metrics such as speed, battery life, and distance traveled, thereby integrating technology and performance seamlessly. With a top speed set at 20 miles per hour, ensuring compliance with local regulations while still providing an adrenaline rush, Tenways AGO X is a masterclass in combining form and function, poised to meet the challenges of both daily errands and cross-country adventures. Embodying a blend of cutting-edge technology and intuitive design, the Haoqi Mustang is engineered for riders who demand a natural, responsive ride. At its core, the bike leverages the advanced Bafang torque sensor technology that adjusts motor output based on the rider's input, ensuring a riding experience that feels organic and well-matched to your pedal effort. Its commanding 500-watt mid-drive motor, enhanced by the Bafang M560 system, delivers a substantial 130 Nm of torque, all packaged in a lightweight design that weighs just 3.3 kilograms. This potent combination allows the Mustang to offer remarkable acceleration and effortless handling on even the most challenging terrains. The bike's upgraded 8-speed drivetrain provides crisp shifting and expanded versatility, ensuring that riders can smoothly transition through a wide range of speeds and gradients. Riding on Honda 27.5x 2.8-inch tires, the Mustang finds a sweet spot between fat and standard tires, balancing rolling resistance with traction and comfort across varied surfaces. For added control and comfort, the front suspension fork, with its premium alloy construction, coil suspension, hydraulic lockout, and adjustable preload settings, delivers 130 millimeters of travel, ensuring that bumps and uneven terrain are effortlessly absorbed. Complementing the robust mechanical elements is the removable 720 watt-hour battery, which not only allows for convenient off-bike charging, but also extends the bike's reach up to a maximum of 75 miles per charge, with the battery's lightweight design, just 7.7 pounds, underscoring its thoughtful engineering. The Mustang is thus a superb choice for those seeking a bike that combines high power, agile performance, and smart technological integration, making it a formidable contender for both daily commuting and adventurous off-road escapades. For the rider whose ambition knows no limits, the Juggernaut Ultra FS Pro 3 Fat stands as a testament to uncompromised power and rugged endurance. Designed as a full-suspension fat tire e-bike, it is built to conquer the most extreme terrains while carrying heavy loads. Boasting a maximum load capacity of 265 pounds and a riding height that suits riders up to 5 feet 8 inches or more. At its heart is a robust 1,000 watts Bafang Ultra M620 mid-drive motor, which, when pushed to its peak, can deliver over 1,500 watts of power and an astounding 160 Nm of torque. This immense power, coupled with features like an on-demand throttle and integrated cadence plus torque sensor, ensures that the rider is empowered with smooth, yet commanding pedal assistance on even the steepest hills. The bike's electrical soul is fueled by a 52-volt 17-amp-hour internal battery rated at 910 watt-hour, which not only supports an estimated 45-mile range on a single charge, but also offers the flexibility to attach an optional external range extender battery of up to 884 watt-hour for those long, adventurous rides where extra power is essential. Its UL certification underscores the safety and reliability inherent in its design. The Juggernaut Ultra FS Pro 3 Fat is engineered for ultimate versatility. Its advanced full suspension system keeps both wheels in constant contact with the ground, enhancing traction and control on challenging surfaces, from loose dirt and sand to mud, snow, and rocks. In addition, its fat tires, available in a standard 26 by 4-inch or an optional 26 by 4.8 size, create a large contact patch that boosts stability and handling at lower speeds on technical terrain. This model is a celebration of performance and rugged design, where every component, from the powerful motor and versatile battery options to the durable chassis and superior suspension, is selected to elevate the riding experience, making it an ideal companion for solo adventures, group rides, or tackling the toughest off-road trails with unyielding confidence. At the summit of the 2025 mid-drive electric bike offerings, the Fantic XEF 1.9 Factory represents the zenith of off-road innovation and high-performance engineering. This top-of-the-line EMTB is purpose-built for riders who crave the adrenaline of descending steep trails and launching off extreme drops, while enjoying the safety and control afforded by a robust, yet lightweight frame. Its downhill-oriented geometry and precisely engineered construction make it an unrivaled machine on challenging terrain, transforming every outing into an exhilarating adventure. Central to its performance is the Brose S Mag motor, a marvel in compact design that weighs only 2.8 kilograms yet delivers a maximum torque of 90 Newton meters. This motor is celebrated not only for its instantaneous power delivery, but also for its nearly imperceptible operation. It produces minimal vibrations, and no pedaling resistance even when switched off, ensuring that the pure joy of riding is never compromised. The Fantic XEF 1.9 factory is further enhanced by a custom-engineered 720 watt-hour battery, known for its reliability and durability under high operational loads, which powers long, adrenaline-fueled journeys across rugged landscapes. Its suspension architecture is a masterpiece of modern engineering. A RockShox ZB Ultimate fork offering 190mm of travel works in concert with an Öhlins TTX 22M rear shock to deliver optimal shock absorption, stability, and control on steep descents and challenging terrains. The drivetrain is equally impressive, with a SRAM GX AXS 12-speed system ensuring seamless, lightning-fast gear shifts to adapt to any riding condition. Safety is paramount, and the bike is equipped with advanced INCAS brakes paired with braking S3 Batfly rotors, 220mm at the front and 203mm at the rear, delivering uncompromised stopping power even at high speeds. Completing the package, the Mavic ED Max wheels paired with Vittoria tires, 29 by 2.6 inch at the front and 27.5 by 2.8 at the rear, provide exceptional grip and durability, ensuring that every ride is as safe as it is thrilling. The Fantic XEF 1.9 factory is not just a bike. It is a statement of precision engineering, extreme performance, and uncompromising quality designed for riders who demand the absolute best in off-road electric biking. So, which mid-drive electric bike impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this roundup, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest electric bikes.